Remember that an HMO plan can give you access to an HMO provider's accredited hospital, clinics, and physician with complete and all-inclusive healthcare benefits na pwede mong maasahan at ng pamilya mo in case of medical emergencies. Hello everyone, my name is Contreras from Rampver Financials. And today, I'm here to deliver another content that can hopefully add value to your day. So in one of our latest videos, we discussed the importance of having a health coverage. Ngayon naman, i-discuss ko yung specific options mo. What products can you possibly get to give you that health coverage that you need? And syempre, uumpisahan ko to by discussing one of the most popular option, which is the Health Maintenance Organization, or what we usually call as HMOs. Ang isang HMO, o yung tinatawag natin mga Health Maintenance Organization, ay mga kumpanya. Ito ay mga kumpanya na nag-aalok ng healthcare membership plans. Pwede mo siyang isipin na parang mga gym membership plans nila Anytime Fitness or Fitness First. Di ba? Kapag member ka ng mga gym na ito, nagkakaroon ka ngayon ng access. Access sa mga kanilang mga facilities, equipments, machines, and even personal trainers. Kapag HMO member ka naman, binibigyan ka rin ito ng access. Access with the HMO provider's wide network of doctors, specialists, clinics, and very important would be the hospitals for your healthcare needs. You're also then eligible to different healthcare benefits na iisa-isahin natin mamaya. Pwede ka rin pumili ng gusto mong room and board accommodation in case you get confined, and most importantly, cashless transactions kapag kailangan mo na yung benefits mo. Kumbaga, ang HMO ay isang all-in-one healthcare package na pwede mong kunin para sa sarili mo at para sa pamilya mo to cover for unexpected medical expenses. So paano ba ito nagagamit? Kunwari, na-hospital ako because of an accident and the total medical bill is 100,000 pesos. Fortunately, meron din akong HMO na merong maximum benefit limit na 150,000 pesos. The maximum benefit limit refers to the maximum amount that I can use per treatment on a given year. So, ang mangyayari dito is that PhilCare will partially cover my medical bills by default. And then the remaining balance will be covered up to my HMO's limit. So, kung 80,000 yung natira after deducting PhilHealth, it will then be fully covered by my HMO kasi nga 150,000 yung maximum benefit limit ko. Ang galing, di ba? At ang maganda pa sa limit ng HMOs ay per illness, per injury siya for a given year. Ano ang ibig sabihin nito? Kapag meron akong maximum benefit limit na 150,000, meron akong limit o budget na 150,000 pesos sa bawat sakit or injury na makukuha ko for 1 year. Kapag nagkaroon ako ng dengue, I can use up to 150,000 specific for dengue and another 150,000 pesos kapag nagkaroon ako ng injury for the same year. Ang importante lang dito is that hindi siya dapat directly related to each other. So this is how the maximum benefit limits of HMOs work. At ngayon naman, iisa-isahin natin yung mga benefits na pwede mong gamitin. Isa sa mga pinaka-importanting benefits ng HMO mo would be Inpatient Care. Inpatient Care refers to the medical services that you receive while you are confined in the hospital. So syempre, ang kasama dito would be your room and board accommodation, yung paggamit ng recovery room, ICU and operating room, and syempre, yung professional fees ng attending physician and standard nursing services mo. In short, your HMO will cover for most of your medical expenses habang nagpapagaling ka sa ospital. Outpatient care, on the other hand, is medical services provided na hindi kailangan nakakonfine ka sa hospital. So this can include routine services such as pagpapacheck-up, lab, x-ray, pati na rin yung mga therapeutic and diagnostic procedures. Yung third benefit naman natin would be emergency care. And this benefit can help you in situations na talagang hindi maiiwasan. So ito yung mga situation na kailangan isugod ka sa emergency room ng isang hospital. What will happen now is that your HMO can cover for the expenses of the doctor, yung gastos dun sa ER, pati na rin yung mga gamot na gagamitin for your immediate relief and during the treatment. So you might also ask, paano naman kung hindi ako nagkasakit o hindi ko naman kailangan i-confine sa hospital for a given year? Paano naman kung hindi ko rin kailangan magpakonsulta sa doktor o hindi naman ako sinugod sa emergency room? Sayang lang ba yung binayad ko? Well, actually, meron din naman tayong mga benefits na pwede mong gamitin in order to check and maintain your health. One of these benefits is called Preventive Care. So si Preventive Care naman are measures na ginagawa in order to prevent or para maiwasan natin yung mga malalang sakit o kondisyon. So this one includes the passive and active vaccines for tetanus and animal bites, periodic monitoring of your health problems, and of course, meron din siyang mga counseling and health education on diets and exercise. Another benefit that you can use is what we call the Annual Physical Examination or APE. So yung APE are routine tests that can be performed on you para malaman mo yung overall health mo. So the test will include the basic 5, which is the physical examination, routine urinalysis, routine fecalysis, chest x-ray, and complete blood count. So by doing all of these tests on your body, malalaman mo yung overall health mo. Malalaman mo kung may something wrong about your body na pwede mong ipacheck kung kinakailangan. So yung last benefit naman natin is something that is usually optional, and it is the dental benefits. Of course, yung dental benefits are designed to pay the cost for dental care. So kasama dito yung pagpapacheck up sa dentista, pagpapalinis, mga simple tooth extractions, yung mga pasta, be it for the temporary or permanent, and so much more. So aside from the core benefits that I've discussed, usually mayroon din binibigay na mga additional coverage yung mga HMO plans. Usually, these are limited coverage for pre-existing conditions, congenital conditions, and even additional life insurance coverage for your family in case you pass away. Overall, an HMO plan is designed to make your next medical situation as easy as possible. Remember that an HMO plan can give you access to an HMO provider's accredited hospital, clinics, and physician with complete and all-inclusive healthcare benefits na pwede mong maasahan at ng pamilya mo in case of medical emergencies. So the benefits of HMO plans being offered by different companies are usually the same. So yung magiging main consideration mo when getting an HMO plan would be the following. Number 1 would be the maximum benefit limit of the plan. Number 2 is your desired room and board accommodation. Number 3 would be the accredited networks of the HMO provider. And of course, number 4 would be your budget. So these are just the things that you should know about HMOs in general. Ngayon, kung meron kayong mga questions related to the specific product, feel free to write it down in our comment section and I promise, sasagutin ko kayo lahat isa-isa. And of course, if you like what I've shared, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching.